Honorable Lovell Ann Misagalyo, the Municipal Mayor of Alang-Alang, Leyte, I, Police Captain Proven Troy Castro, from Davao City, wholeheartedly ask you to be my wife. Will you marry me?
Wash over me, let me fall from my surroundings. Take over me, over every rushing memory. If only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance. Sail on with me, up here we know we're safe from the crashing wind. And talk to me, from the lungs of the air your heart is breathing. Falling for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance. In the grip of your arms, far from where I know. But I see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance. See around me, there's no
Ito na talaga yung araw na pinakahihintay ko. And ayaw ko nang patagalin. This is the moment. And this is it.
If you look any further than the storms up here, lines of
Sa totoo lang, kinakabahan ako ngayon pero I'm feeling determined and dapat na lumalabas yung confidence. Naisipan kong ngayon mag-propose kasi gusto ko na siyang pakasyalan.
Hindi na ba ka maghihintay?
Hindi na ako makapaghihintay. Unang-una, pinrepare ko talaga yung sing-sing, yung engagement ring.
Hindi ka ba?
Actually, may idea siya pero dinaan ko sa biro.
Paano? Ano yung biro?
To the point na patingin nga ng sing-sing mo kasi kapag mag-propose ako sa iyo, para alam ko na yung sukat saan dito sa daliri ko. Kaya napapayag ko naman siya para pag pakasalan kita, alam ko na rin yung wedding ring. Kaya nung tinanggal ko yung sing-sing, dito pala sa pinky ko, yun pala. Dinaan ko sa biro. Ayoko nang patagalin kung ano itong nararamdaman ko. So, mahal na mahal ko siya at gusto ko na siyang pakasalan. Naghahanap lang ako ng tiyempo, pero sa tulong ng mga matatalik kong kaibigan at mga support ng mga pamilya, God's grace, matutuloy itong event na to.
So love is a blessing.
She is indeed a blessing.
see around me, there's no telling what you'll find here.
Birthday to you. Blow the candle.
Yay! Mayor Lovely, and we're going to hear your Christmas message for all of us. A big hand for her.
Thank you so much, Kuya Ketch. So, to Padre Noel and to all our Father Chris, maupay ng gabi. So, Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2021 to all of us. Amidst this problem that we are facing now, still the true essence of Christmas asaan kalipay, pagkaurusa, paghigugmaay, ngan paghatag gihapon niya nahaatonhin. So with that, maupay nga Pasko, ngan may nuswagon nga bago nga tuig, kaaton nga tanan.
Hey, thank you so much. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. And that is our lovely Mayor of Alang-Alang, Honorable Lavelle and Misagal Yu!
Walang mas tutumbas sa pagiging special niya para sa akin. Hindi mo siya mapagkukumpara kahit kanino or kahit anong bagay.
Bakit mo nasabi na siya ang pakakasalan? Siya na. Kumbaga, di ba lahat tayo naghahanap na parang you're the one. Paano mo nasabi na she's the one?
She's the one kasi unang-una, nagkakaintindihan na kami. And of course, dapat mahal ko siya at mahal niya ako, in which we have already shown it to one another.
Really reaching out for the other side. Maybe climbing on rainbow, but maybe here goes. Dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to live. If you're wondering what this song is leading to, I wanna make it with you. Two years ago, you caught my attention. Inosente pa kami nun. But then I realized that you're someone special to my heart. From that moment, I decided na to pursue you with full determination, love, and passion. Para ligawan ka. And now at this momentous occasion, together with the important persons in our lives, I am putting my heart in this line and ask you to be mine. Our journey started, actually, before ko pa siya naging girlfriend. The day you said yes to be my girlfriend, days, months were spent for us to know each other more. And through time with you, I learned that loving is understanding. Ang importante sa lahat, kahit anong mangyari, dapat pinapangalagaan natin ng isa't isa. You are a mayor. I am a police officer. It will not be easy. It will not be perfect. And it will be full of challenges. But I guarantee you that I will love you now and forever. I am asking now you to be mine. Wholeheartedly. Ako ang magpapatupad na sa ating dalawa, my forever. Honorable Lovell Ann Misagalyo, the Municipal Mayor of Alang-Alang, Leyte. I, Police Captain Proven Troy Castro, from Davao City, wholeheartedly ask you to be my wife. Will you marry me? Marry me! Thank you.
Microphone.
Kailangan naka-mic, everything in public. I was not expecting this, but of course, yes.
Life can be short or long. Love can be right or wrong. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we could make it good. Baby, you know that dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you.